guys, what's up? It's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun 4th of July makeup for you, and I'm sorry I kind of look like a bunny right now. And I tried to follow this picture right here I found on Pinterest, so I will put it in the description box below if you guys want to look at it up close. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more makeup tutorials, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with a white eyeshadow. It can be shimmery or matte. I kind of went in with both of them, but I'm taking kind of a very flat brush that comes in eyeshadow palettes because it makes it apply a lot better. So I'm just using that and applying that all over to my lid, and I'm using a matte and a shimmery color. Live free like we always said, oh, whoa. Now I'm just taking my e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm doing a thin line on my upper lash line, and I'm also going to slightly wing it out. Now I'm just taking my CoverGirl Lip Perfection lip liner, and I'm actually not using it as a lip liner, I'm using it as an eyeliner. You can use anything, you can use an eyeliner pencil, eyeshadow, or even a lip liner like I am, and line your lid just where you put the black eyeliner and just go halfway into your lid. And I'm just doing the exact same thing with a blue eyeliner from Maybelline and just lining the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm just taking a sparkly eyeliner and putting it over top of the red and the blue eyeliner. Next, I'm just taking my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Butterfly Mascara and doing a couple coats on my eyelashes. Next, I'm taking my CoverGirl Clean Foundation in the shade Ivory and putting that all over my face, and then I'm blending it in with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline concealer and putting that under my under eye circles and on any blemishes I have. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. blush in the lightest shade and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. cream highlight and putting that over my blush. Finally, I'm taking this red lipstick in the color Siren and Scarlet by Maybelline and just applying that all over my lips. And here's the final look. Like a little bow peep. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here is an overview of the eyes. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!